Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we'll see how to completely uninstall and remove Unsloth from your local machine, including all the cache files and downloaded models from the Hugging Face. Okay, let's get started. In the next video we'll see how to install Unsloth and fine-tune a base model from scratch. Let's go. Stop server. Unsloth is stopped. You can close this. Now let's minimize. Okay, now let's open PowerShell. It's already open, so let's scroll down. It's already shut down. Let's just paste this command and then ta-da, the link is done. And we'll remove this as well. Where is this delete button? Yeah, that's all. Yeah, just kidding. There are two ways. One, either we use this command. Let me show you the same. We are here, the Unsloth. So we need to remove this folder. So let's do the command here. As you can see, the folder has been removed. Now let's remove the Hugging Face models and the cache. Just come in here, search for the cache folder. This is the one. So let's just come here and then Hugging Face, Control Shift delete. Sorry, Shift delete. It's permanently getting deleted. That's all. Yeah, it's that simple. In the next video, we'll see how to install Onslaught and fine-tune a base model from scratch.